This recording is to show the functionality of the order delivery module. All right, so what we're looking at here is Business Central, and we're going to start from the beginning with creating an order. So we'll just do a sales order. It's going to choose a customer. Choose Traxtronic. Right. And the first thing we're going to do is choose an item that has a weight on it. So the bicycle item has been set up to have different weights. So once we select it and we put a quantity, so we're just going to sell 5 of them. Right, and you can see that it's detected that the gross weight is 10 per unit, and then it's calculating a total gross weight. And then on the order, on the total down here, it has a total gross weight for the entire order. So it enables all these fields to have the weights be displayed as you're doing your orders, so you can see it that way, right? Okay. It also has a delivery status and some other information up there. Right. So for us to be able to load this onto something, we have to release the order so that it shows up. So I'm going to go ahead and just release the order to show that we're finished with it and it's ready to be loaded. Right. And it will track and say what date and time it was released and who it was released by, and if it's been assigned to a delivery or a truck, and what date it's going on for delivery. Right. So nothing's assigned as yet. It's not showing anything. Going to come out 101121. Okay. And now to put it on our truck, we're going to go to load trucks. And so we have 2 types. There's load truck orders and load truck invoices. We're going to use the orders. The invoices looks the exact same. It just uses posted invoices instead of open orders. Right. And so in this case, we have our list of deliveries up on top, and then all of the invoices going out on each delivery down below. So I'm going to use this existing truck that's going out. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and add my order. So I'm just going to edit this order, and I'm going to use the lookup, sort on all of my open orders. All right, and there we are, the Traxtronic. Right, so we choose him, we put him on our order. Right, it detects the information, so it pulls up the customer, pulls up the order, it pulls up his service zone, which is like his route code, which would be assigned to the customer, so it'll pull that in. It knows the total kgs for this order, and then it also has a total lines and a total quantity. You can drill into any one of these to see the details on what's going on in the order itself. Right. And then up on top, it's keeping track of the total, the max kg from the truck, and then how much we've used up so far, and then how much is remaining. Right. The calculation hasn't updated yet, so once we refresh the screen, it'll recalculate. But just to show where this is coming from, so the trucks are coming from delivery trucks. Right. So this truck, if we look at how it's set up, right? Okay, you can create codes. So usually this would be a license plate, a description. You can create different types. So if you have refrigerated, 10-ton, 15-ton, small van, whatever, car, right? Okay, they're just a list of truck types you could define, right? And then you can set whether or not the truck is active in case it's out for repairs or for some reason it can't operate. You can control the status this way, and then you define whatever's the max kgs that are allowed to go on the truck, and then you can just put whoever the driver's name is for that day, and you could just change this as necessary. Right, whatever name you put here is what's going to show up on the reports when you pull in that truck for your deliveries. Right. And so basically, that's this here. So you would create a delivery, add your truck so that it knows the total weight, and then it will keep a sum of everything that you assign to the truck here, and it goes through. You do this once you assign something to a truck, then it falls off of this list, so you can't assign something onto more than one truck. Right? You'll have to delete it off the order, or delete the delivery order first. And then if you want to see the details, you could look at the delivery order lines, right? And this will just kind of give you, a greater detail of everything going out on the truck. And then there's a report that you can run. You run your delivery details and you preview it. Right? And what it will do is it will group everything. So it'll say, all right, so for this customer, they have these bills, right? And in each of these bills, these are the items on each bill that have to go out, right? And then in the other zone, this is your other customer. These are the bills that have to go out. These are the items on that bill, total quantities, total kgs, right? You can see at the bottom. And then if you scroll down, right, it then gives you a summary, right, of everything together. And this is basically what you would use to give to the warehouse, and they can just pick in bulk based on this, so that once they go and they pick up 7 bicycles, 11 milk, 2 ground cumin, and they bring it to the staging area, then all of that will fulfill whatever you have in your details. So this top piece goes with the truck driver, and the bottom piece can also go with him, but you give it to the warehouse to pick first, right, so that they have an idea. And that's basically it, right? Very simple, very straightforward. When it's finished, you can simply tick the delivery as completed. Once you mark it as completed, it will simply hide from the screen here, but at any point in time, you could simply remove the filter, right? You could simply remove the filter and show all of your completed deliveries.